Welcome to Tech Solutions. In this video, we're diving deep into Samsung Magician 9, Samsung's latest all-in-one SSD management tool. This is not about old versions, and we're not looking back. Magician 9 is a clean rethink, faster, simpler, and much more visual. Think of it as a control room for your SSD. Health, performance, updates, and peace of mind, all in one place. Once you launch Samsung Magician 9, the first thing you notice is the single unified dashboard. Everything important lives here. Your connected SSD shows up immediately, and the app gives you a real-time snapshot of its condition. You can see overall drive health, total data written, interface type, and whether your system is fully compatible. No digging through menus, no technical guesswork. It's designed so you can understand your storage at a glance, even if you're not an expert. At the center of the experience is real-time SSD health monitoring. Magician continuously reads smart data in the background and translates it into something human-friendly. Instead of raw numbers, you get clear indicators that tell you whether your drive is healthy, aging normally, or showing early warning signs. This is important because SSDs usually don't fail loudly, they fail quietly. Magician's job is to whisper early before things go wrong. Temperature monitoring is also built right into the dashboard. You can see current, average, and peak temperatures over time. This matters more than most people realize. High temperatures slowly reduce SSD lifespan and can throttle performance. With Magician 9, you can catch thermal issues early, whether it's poor airflow, a missing heatsink, or sustained heavy workloads. One of the most valuable features is authenticity verification. With one click, Magician checks whether your Samsung SSD is genuine. This isn't just about branding, it's about reliability. Counterfeit drives often report fake capacities, unstable firmware, and unpredictable performance. Verifying authenticity ensures your SSD behaves exactly as Samsung designed it to, with proper firmware support and long-term stability. Next comes firmware management, and this is where Magician really earns its keep. Firmware updates can improve performance, fix bugs, and enhance compatibility with newer systems. Magician 9 automatically checks for updates and alerts you when one is available. You don't need to hunt through support pages or guess which file applies to your model. Everything is handled safely from inside the app, reducing the risk of user error. Performance testing is another core area. Using the built-in benchmark tool, you can measure sequential and random read and write speeds in real-world terms. This helps answer practical questions. Is my SSD performing as expected? Did performance drop after a system update? Is thermal throttling kicking in? The results are clearly presented, so you can compare them against advertised speeds or past runs without needing third-party tools. Then there's Diagnostic Scan, one of the most underrated but critical features. This tool checks for functional errors and early signs of failure. You can run a quick scan when something feels off or as part of routine maintenance. The idea here is simple but powerful. Detection beats recovery. It's always better to spot a problem while your data is still safe than after the drive stops responding. Samsung Magician 9 also keeps things practical by showing system compatibility and alerts. If your setup limits SSD performance, like running an NVMe drive on a slower interface, you'll see it right away. This turns Magician into more than a monitoring tool. It becomes an educator. It quietly teaches you how your hardware is interacting and where bottlenecks may exist. What's refreshing about Magician 9 is how calm and uncluttered it feels. No unnecessary pop-ups, no confusing terminology. It respects the user's time. Power users get the data they want, and everyday users get clarity without intimidation. That balance is surprisingly rare in system utilities. To wrap it up, Samsung Magician 9 is not just an SSD utility, it's a preventative maintenance tool. It helps you understand your storage, protect your data, and keep performance where it should be. Whether you're a casual user, a creator, or someone who just wants their system to stay reliable, Magician 9 quietly does the heavy lifting in the background. That's it for this walkthrough. If you found this helpful, you know what to do. This is Tech Solutions, clear tools, no confusion, and tech that actually makes sense.